In this week's topic, our legal resolutions for 2014. What sorts of things should be on our legal to-do list for the new year's?
Well, estate planning documents are extremely important for all adults. These documents need to be reviewed and updated annually. Regardless of how much money you make or how much you own or how you wish to allocate your assets among your family, you need to have certain estate planning documents in place. So at a bare minimum, you should consider having a will along with the durable power of attorney, which authorizes a person of your choosing to manage your finances and make legal decisions on your behalf in the event that you can't.
Why is it so important to review and update your estate planning documents every year?
There's certain things that would trigger a need to review those documents. So for example, if your marital status has changed, if you've been divorced or you're single or there's been a death, you need to reflect in the documents. If you recently had a child, it's wise to appoint a guardian or choose a trustee to manage your child's finances. If you purchase property or you sold property, you may want to make changes in your deeds or have a beneficiary deed in order to avoid probate.
So what happens when someone dies without a will?
It's essential to remember what a will does. It basically is a roadmap, a set of instructions for the probate court. It doesn't really avoid probate. So if you don't have a will, the probate court will have to name a personal representative to handle the estate issues on your behalf. In Missouri, if you die without a will, your assets will be divided among the surviving members of your family. If you don't have any surviving relatives, your assets will ultimately, after several different levels, go to the state. Having a will and a power of attorney in place can also minimize, in some circumstances, inheritance tax, which can take a large portion of your assets away from your heirs.
Aaron, what's the bottom line when it comes to estate planning in 2014?
The first of the year is a great time to review several things from a legal point of view, including your will and your estate.